Hello, and welcome to Lyriq Media, where information is key and accuracy is the drive. We keep you abreast of the latest information and trending news regarding the EV, Lyriq Cadillac, and other future EVs from the Cadillac company. So if you're an enthusiast or owner of these electric vehicles, there is a spot for you here on this channel. We function as a family. We listen to your feedback in the comment section and make all of the required videos with the knowledge you need to stay current in the EV industry. If you're new here, please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. Thank you. Back to our video. The Cadillac Lyriq is notable not only because it is the first custom electric vehicle from the venerable American manufacturer, but also because it is meant to herald a new design age that will aid in reviving and reinventing the brand for a younger audience. The Audi e-tron and BMW X-Rival, which will launch in U.S. dealerships early next year, is constructed on General Motors' parent company's adaptable, custom-designed electric Ultium platform. This massive luxury SUV's architecture is shared by a variety of vehicles, including the wacky GMC Hummer EV, the next Chevrolet Blazer electric SUV, the Chevrolet Silverado EV pickup, and even the BrightDrop 600 delivery van. General Motors has yet to sell Cadillac in Australia, where it now only offers a fairly constrained selection of Chevrolet models through GMSV. However, performance models like the CT5V Blackwing would be enthusiastically accepted. GM is currently preparing for a significant return to the European market with an all-EV offering, and while nothing is confirmed yet, it is widely anticipated that the Lyriq will be the flagship offering for that return and might make right-hand drive production. For those who ordered a Cadillac Lyriq, we urge to remain patient as deliveries to various individuals are soon going to begin. On the GM Milford Proving Ground on Michigan's limited private roads, we had the opportunity to experience a Lyriq for the first time. Even if the amount of running we did was minimal, it was sufficient to give us a strong sense of this amazing vehicle. Cadillac has struggled to gain traction in the United States in recent years, with a lineup that combines premium sedans that can't compete with European rivals and huge, austere SUVs like the Cadillac Escalade. The switch to EVs and the blank canvas of the versatile Ultium platform is seen by brand executives as a real opportunity to reinvent the mark for the electric era. Two vehicles that were developed alongside each other will set the new design direction: the Lyriq and the upcoming Celestiq, a shooting brake that was recently revealed in concept form. The Celestiq will be launched in 2024 as an exclusive hand-built flagship range topper priced around $430,000, with a bold brief to compete with Bentley. The Lyriq is a more mainstream option, but it shares many design elements with the Celestiq. Both reinvent some historic Cadillac design elements from the brand's 1950s glory days for the modern era. The grille retains the distinctive trapezoidal shape that has been a feature of recent Cadillac models, but it is replaced by a bold digital front end that features some extravagant LED lighting patterns when the car is turned on. There are also L-shaped lights in the rear pillar, which are reminiscent of Cadillacs from the 1960s and add a distinct sense of stature. The body is clearly a large electric SUV, but it has a relatively long bonnet and sculpted but clean sides. When parked next to an Escalade, the Lyriq appears positively compact, but there's no mistaking its size. It measures 4,996 millimeters in length, which is 95 millimeters longer than the Audi e-tron. The wheelbase measures 3,093 millimeters, which is 65 millimeters longer than the Audi. The interior makes good use of the flat Ultium chassis to provide a sense of space and has a real sense of classy refinement. Notably, there is no evidence of platform engineering in this interior. Every single component is unique to Cadillac. To accomplish this feat, the company was even granted permission to design a new coat hook. The 33-inch curved digital screen dominates the dashboard and is well placed, serving as both a digital instrument display and the infotainment system. The operating system is generally smooth with built-in Google services. There's a 19-speaker AKG audio system and a lot of physical switchgear, like the heating controls below the screen and a drive controller, built into the floating center console, and everything looks and feels high-end. Backlit lighting and laser-cut wood trim create a cool, sophisticated atmosphere. Everything is very modern, clean, and stylish. The plush, thin seats are extremely comfortable, and the driving position is excellent. There's also plenty of room in the back and a large 793-liter boot. The Lyriq will be available with a variety of powertrains. The base model, which we tested, will have a single-motor rear-drive powertrain with 250 kilowatt and 440 Newton-meter. There will also be a twin-motor all-wheel drive model with the same torque, but 368 kilowatt. Despite the car's considerable curb weight of 2,585 kilograms, the Lyriq's engine was smooth and quick. Having said that, it's evident that the goal here is to provide a smooth, premium feel rather than performance. This was reflected in a remarkably quiet ride, even by EV standards, thanks to active noise-canceling technology. The plush, thin seats are extremely comfortable, and the driving position is excellent. There's also plenty of room in the back and a large 793-liter boot. The Lyriq will be available with a variety of powertrains. The base model, which we tested, will have a single-motor rear-drive powertrain with 250 kilowatt and 440 Newton-meter. There will also be a twin-motor all-wheel drive model with the same torque, but 368 kilowatt. Despite the car's considerable curb weight of 2,585 kilograms, the Lyriq's engine was smooth and quick. Having said that, it's evident that the goal here is to provide a smooth, premium feel rather than performance. This was reflected in a remarkably quiet ride, even by EV standards, thanks to active noise-canceling technology. There's also a paddle for brake regeneration, though we didn't have enough time to see how big of a difference it made. Having said that, it's evident that the goal here is to provide a smooth, premium feel rather than performance. This was reflected in a remarkably quiet ride, even by EV standards, thanks to active noise-canceling technology. There's also a paddle for brake regeneration, though we didn't have enough time to see how big of a difference it made. However, the default regeneration option allows near one-pedal driving, which matches the car's easygoing demeanor nicely. The power is supplied by a large 106 kilowatt-hour, 102 kilowatt-hour usable underfloor battery, which provides a stated U.S. range of 502 kilometers for the rear-wheel drive variant. Cadillac engineers anticipate that the European WLT range test will enhance this marginally. It can be charged at up to 190 kilowatt of power. The car handled nicely, even over the purposely harsh bumps and seams of GM's proving ground test tracks, which are meant to simulate a variety of real-world road situations. The suspension absorbed undulations efficiently without depriving the vehicle of feel. It's a competitive offering that stands up well to rival large premium electric SUVs. The Lyriq doesn't provide much in the way of driving excitement, and the steering reaction felt a touch numb, as is common with American market automobiles. Any purchasers expecting an electric SUV version of a CT4 Blackwing would be disappointed, and a little mistaken in the first place, and a little misguided in the first place. Although we didn't get to test it during our brief drive, the Lyriq is also available with GM's Super Cruise hands-free driver assistance technology. It works with adaptive cruise control to direct the car on select linked roads in the United States. A light fitted into the top of the steering wheel rim indicates that it is active and flashes red if the driver must intervene. We tested the system in a Chevrolet Bolt on Greater Detroit freeways, and it performed admirably. It's undoubtedly competitively priced in the U.S. market at $62,990. The Lyriq is clearly one of the most persuasive Cadillac cars to emerge in quite some time, and a compelling offer that would constitute an intriguing alternative to the top luxury brands. This is all we have for you today. Stay connected with Lyriq Media. Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Until our next video, stay well.